In this video, I will show you how to remove Incognito Mode in Google Chrome on a PC. So let's jump straight into it. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to remove this. I will show you how to turn this back on if you do change your mind as well. So the first thing you're going to want to do, as you can see I'm here on my desktop, is come down to the search icon in the bottom left hand corner. And what you want to do is go ahead and type run and open up the run app underneath best match. Now into the search box, go ahead and type regedit. And then press enter to open up your registry editor. From here, you're going to get a window like this. And what you want to do is come to the left hand side and click onto the arrow next to H key local machine. And then go ahead and click on the arrow next to software. Then what you want to do is go ahead and find the policies folder down here. What you want to do from here is actually right click onto the policies folder and then click onto expand. Then go ahead and right click again onto the policies folder, then go to new and type key. Into this box, you want to type Google with a capital G. Next, what you want to do is right click onto the folder you just created for Google, and then again go onto new and key, and this time you want to call this one Chrome with a capital C, and then press enter. And now what you want to do is you want to make sure you're on the Chrome folder, and you want to right click onto the window itself, then go to new and then dword 32-bit value. Once you've created this dword, what you want to do is right click onto it and you want to click onto rename, and you want to type it exactly as I do. So you want to put Incognito Mode, availability, and make sure you spell it exactly as I have with the correct capital letters, and you can just click off this. And then you want to right click onto this file and then click onto modify, and you want to change this value data to 1. So you can see it's set to 0, you want to change that to 1 and then press OK. So once you've gone ahead and done that, that's all now set up ready to go. So what you want to do now is go ahead and restart your PC. Now, once you go ahead and restart your PC, what's going to happen if you right click and try to open Incognito Mode, you're going to see that the window is probably there, but when you click onto it, it's just going to go ahead and open up a normal window. You will also notice when you click onto the three dots and try to open Incognito window from here, this will be grayed out. So that's how to go ahead and remove it. If you do want to turn Incognito back on at any point, what you want to do is come down to the search icon in the bottom left hand corner. Again, open up the Run app, and this time again type regedit. And all you need to do is come down and find that Google folder you created. Just go ahead and right click on it and click delete. Once you've gone ahead and done that, that's going to enable Incognito Mode back on. Make sure, of course, you do restart your computer every time you make any changes. And that's how to go ahead and remove Incognito Mode on Google Chrome. So I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.